We all crave deep, meaningful connections, don't we? We long for those special someone who will make us feel cherished, understood, and loved. But here's the million-dollar question. How do we truly capture the heart of our crush and foster a bond that stands the test of time? Well, today I'm diving into a topic that many of us grapple with, fostering a profound emotional connection with our crush. And we're going to discuss a program called His Secret Obsession. But before I delve into its intricacies, I want to address something crucial. If you're here expecting a review that blindly praises this program, well, you're in for a surprise. I'm going to cut through the noise and give you the unfiltered truth, the pros, the cons, and everything in between. So if you're ready for an honest, no-holds-barred look at His Secret Obsession, let's get started. Have you ever felt like you were putting in all the effort into a relationship, only to find that it was one-sided? You're pouring your heart and soul into nurturing the relationship while your partner seems distant and uncommitted. It's disheartening, isn't it? That's where His Secret Obsession steps in, promising a shift in the narrative, a way to make your relationship more fulfilling and balanced, according to the creator. The key lies in understanding a man's psyche, specifically what drives him, what makes him tick. And he posits that these drivers, often buried beneath the surface, hold the secret to creating a profound emotional connection. So what exactly does His Secret Obsession offer in essence? It's a guide designed to help you understand the intricate workings of the male mind. It provides insights into the desires, needs, and motivations that drive men, particularly your crush or partner. The program emphasizes that by tapping into these deeper psychological desires, you can forge a connection that goes beyond physical attraction. It's about creating a bond that speaks to his core, that ignites a passion and commitment that endures. Now, you might be skeptical. You might be thinking, hasn't this been done before? Aren't all relationship programs essentially the same? Well, that's where you'd be wrong. His Secret Obsession takes a unique approach. It delves into the psychological realm, helping you become a sort of love detective, able to decipher the subtle cues and hidden desires of your crush. It's about becoming fluent in the language of his heart. For instance, have you heard of the hero instinct, this innate drive in men to feel needed, valued, and appreciated? His Secret Obsession touches on this and more, providing you with the tools to nurture these aspects in your relationship. Imagine your crush looking at you not just with love, but with admiration, respect, and a deep sense of gratitude. That's the kind of connection His Secret Obsession aims to help you create. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It recognizes that each relationship is unique and requires a personalized touch. So how do you apply this in your real life? Let's say you're in a rut with your crush. You've been talking for a while, but things are starting to feel stale. You're not making much progress. His Secret Obsession equips you with strategies to turn things around. Maybe you learn that your crush has a strong hero instinct, so you start involving him in activities where he can shine, where he can feel like a hero. Suddenly, your relationship takes on a new dynamic. He's more engaged, more passionate, the connection deepens. But remember, the power of His Secret Obsession doesn't lie in quick fixes or empty promises. It's in the transformative journey it offers, helping you become a better, more fulfilled partner and helping your crush see you not just as a lover, but as a best friend, confidant, and teammate. In the end, it's about mutual growth, deeper understanding, and a love that's both passionate and enduring. And here's the best part. His Secret Obsession isn't some elusive, hard-to-get program. It's designed with you in mind. It's accessible and practical. Whether you're single and ready to mingle, or already in a relationship looking to spice things up, the program offers valuable insights and actionable steps. Just remember, knowledge by itself is not power. It's when we put that knowledge into practice, when we translate understanding into action, that we truly see the magic happen. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of fostering an emotional connection that leads to love and commitment, I encourage you to explore His Secret Obsession. Dive into the depths of a man's psychology. Learn to speak his love language and watch as your love life transforms before your eyes. But remember, the journey is in your hands. The first step is always the hardest, but once you start, there's no looking back. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and share. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating valuable content for you.